That'll sneak out. Long cross to the far post, chested out, and it'll be a corner coming up for.
Went back to Minnesota in the NASL and then in the MLS.
The foul on Brody. Andrew Brody, hailing from Orlando, Florida, product of the RSL Academy. His dad played the Colorado Foxes and UNLV back in the day. Scott Brody. Here's a shot from distance. Rebellon. Solidly bouncing that one back. The goal kick from Jimmy Slayton. Back to Rebellon. That's dangerous. Moved up by Jimmy Slayton.
They definitely have some options in here now with Maka King, Brent Coleman, Distel Zola, who's also a threat on set pieces.
To the far post and in! But that corner kick was an absolute killer. There is Gomez looking for the far post. It gets away and deflected over the back line. Scored outside of the area this season. There weren't many of those last year at all. Well, there weren't many goals last year at all, let's be honest. But Josué Gomez at corner from Dylan Maris. Or Chick-fil-A corner kick. Goodness gracious, Deon Harris leaves him in his wake. Passes off target, though it almost gets back. Gomez does well to play it to himself. with a little more space to try and make something of it. Here is Gomez. Gomez will send it to Salgado. All the way across, sliced, bounces to Rebellon, trying to bring it down for a shot, and it scores!